Welcome to the 2021 Archdiocese of Hartford Virtual Robotics Competition. There are 3 challenges to play. All 3 challenges will test teams' software development skills using the VEX VR coding environment. A team can choose to compete in one or more of the challenges. The first challenge is called the Navigate the Number Grid Challenge and is played on the Number Grid Playground. In this logical challenge, teams will be simulating vehicle navigation software and will have to deliver packages to 3 randomly selected houses, represented by numbers on the field, as efficiently as possible. In the real world, vehicle navigation software does not know where you want to go until you give it your destination, so the same will happen here. Teams will develop and submit their programs to the tournament committee. Only then will all the programs be given the 3 selected houses, so everyone's program will need to be able to accommodate any 3 numbers. Just like the real world, some roads are slower than others. In this virtual world, traveling through prime numbered boxes incurs no additional delay. Traveling through even non-prime number boxes incurs a 1-second delay. And traveling through odd non-prime numbered boxes incurs a 2-second delay. The time it takes to travel to all 3 houses will be added to the sum of all the delays incurred to determine a team's final delivery time. The fastest time will determine the champion. The second challenge is called the Robot Dance Challenge and is played on the Art Canvas Playground. In this creative challenge, the team will pick music and program the robot to dance to the selected music. Entries will be awarded points based on a set of criteria including specific movements, synchronization to the music, and more. The third challenge is called the Cooperative Crystal Collection Challenge and is played on the Disc Mover Playground. In this virtual teamwork challenge, 2 teams will cooperate to perform the 2 critical tasks necessary to retrieve discs, aka buried dilithium crystals, which will be loaded into cargo bays prior to liftoff. Teams will each submit 2 programs that will work together. The first, an excavation program, to excavate crystals and move them to the staging zone. The second, a transport program, will start where the previous program left off and load the crystals into the cargo bays. At game time, 2 different teams' programs will be randomly paired together to complete the challenge. For example, Team A's excavation program will run, followed by Team B's transport program. Points will be scored in both the excavation phase and the transport phase. Excavation teams score by prepping the crystals for transport, scoring 2 points for each crystal touching exactly 1 holding square that is not being touched by another crystal, and 1 point for each crystal sharing a holding square with another crystal or touching more than 1 holding square. The transport team's programs will pick up where the excavation team's program left off. The transport teams score by finding crystals and loading them into cargo bays. Crystals loaded into cargo bays of the same color will score 1 point each. Crystals loaded into cargo bays further from their original excavation site score additional points. Lastly, the cargo bays need to close before liftoff, so bonus points are awarded for getting the robot out of the bay before your time's up. Since both teams are working together, each will get the same combined score at the end of the match. For the official game rules, please see the game manuals. Good luck!